Today we're going to bring a cable, and this has three different types of cable connections. You guys can see it's all nylon based, very flexible, so you don't have to worry about breaking it apart. Now the cord is very short, but if you're going to be connecting and charging three different devices, then this is a great way to do it. Now the first one, if you guys can see, this is a USB, a micro USB connection here. You got a USB type C connection, and then you got the lightning, which is the iPhone connections. All right. So you have the main connection is going to be a type A. Now this is going to be only a 5 volts. It's not going to go super fast charging. All right. So it's only for basic charging. So we're going to take a look at it. File sharing, I want to recommend using something like this for file sharing because it's not going to be possible. But if you're going to be charging stations or anything else, this is perfect. So let's go ahead and take a look at it and see how it works. Got 3 different devices. Micro USB for my mouse here. So we're going to connect this one and let it charge. So let's plug one. It's charging right now. You'll see it right now. Plug it in. And then we're going to plug in a type C, which is my Droid. Plug it in. There it goes. Starts charging. And then the lightning, of course, we're going to put this in. And all 3 devices are charging. If you guys can see, this is one of them. Another one. So you can share 3 different multiple devices. If you have headphones or anything on your desk that needs extra connections, this is perfect. You're only using one USB for 3 items. So very simple. I hope you guys enjoy the video.